You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this French composer. For more names from music that are often mispronounced, make sure to stay tuned. Loads to learn here on this channel, so subscribe, stay tuned. In French in France, this French pianist is said as Richard Clayderman. Richard Clayderman. So in English you could say it as Richard Clayderman. Richard Clayderman, or in French, Richard Clayderman. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.